Honey, we haven't even gotten in the park yet and you're already singing.
Something. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I can't even think of the words right now. This
Oh
is
my gosh. Well guys, we are back at the parks. Welcome to the vlog.
That's what they did.
Back. It's been a while. Like, what is she? So Lauren just
Has it been September?
Well, I don't know. Well, Lauren just got asked to do the little trip.
It probably was. Like, we did all the Halloween stuff.
Yeah. Probably. Well, we're home. Okay, Lauren. What is your favorite thing about Halloween time at Disneyland?
People in costumes, despite the fact that I never wear one.
I mean, I haven't seen too many people in costumes.
Not in this park.
Yeah, in the other park, though. I love Main Street. Pretty cool. So, guys, we are back at Cae Orleans, and look at how excited we are. We got some pommes frites. We already finished the first round of mid juleps. Honey, how's the day so far?
It's a good day.
I feel like if I don't eat, you're gonna eat all the freaking pommes frites.
It's your fault.
Okay, guys. I look away for a moment, and there's Lauren sprinkling the garlic in the sauce.
It's not sticking to the fries. It's not my fault.
You're really cute. I'd like to also say she keeps distracting me so I don't eat all the fries.
Because you shouldn't be eating all the fries, so I should get some. See? Because this is what you do.
No.
You steal them all.
No. I'm just borrowing them, honey. I'll give you back the basket when it's done. I'm just kidding. I love you.
You're distracting yourself right now. I'm the one who's still eating.
I love you. Okay, so I got a Monte Cristo sandwich right there. It looks delicious. Lauren, what'd you get?
Steak.
She got some steak and potatoes. Are you ready for this?
Oh, yes.
And now, we're going to interrupt this regularly scheduled broadcast with Lauren singing you a song. And go.
Steak and potatoes. Steak and potatoes. Okay, start here. Yum.
I love you. Eat your steak and potatoes, people. Having fun, Lauren? We walk into a gift shop. Lauren finds the sequins and literally has been playing with it for the past like 30 minutes.
You can't tell time.
Okay, 29 and a half. You missed a little spot right here, honey. Oh, I thought you left it and then you found another one. You're so cute. Okay, well, we passed all the sequins, but we found the Jungle Cruise jacket. For those who don't know, this is Lauren's favorite ride in the entire park. Am I right, honey? Oh. Fits you. Is it comfy?
Oh, yeah.
Do we need to get it?
No.
Hey, Lauren.
How about no?
Oh. I know I saw it. It took me a moment to see it.
Oh.
I love it. I love how much you want this. You can shoot snow from your hand, honey. I think we need to get it.
We can have water gun fights.
I mean, I don't think. Does it shoot water or does it shoot?
Shoots water.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I mean,
How much is
usually
it?
it's
How much
like
is it? How much is it?
$25.
Yes. Do we need it? Yes. We can wait. We can wait, honey. Okay, guys. This is a little bit shorter of a vlog. However, what are you doing? Are you stuffed? Well, we had a great dinner. But the cool thing is, when this video goes up, we are actually going to be packing because we are heading on a cruise to Mexico. Are you excited? Yeah, so we're going to be going on Carnival Cruise. So there may be a delay in videos coming out soon, just because we are going to be literally on the ship. But yeah, it's going to be exciting. It's going to be our first Carnival Cruise because we did a Disney cruise last summer, like July, September, August, something like August last year. We'll leave a link at the end if you guys want to take a look at those ones. But until that, we will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be a cruise video. And oh, we're about to get hit. Let's not get hit by a car. But and on that note, you got it, Lauren. We'll catch you on the next vlog. Bye, guys.